guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Nicole. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today I'm just going to show you how I do my ginger and garlic mixture. Yes, this is a lot of garlic. I only get my garlic from Costco, and this what the bag looked like, for you guys can tell from previous haul. And for my ginger, I only get my ginger from Whole Foods, which I went this morning and I got some, and I'm going to show you guys what that looked like. Now, I separate the gingers just by individual bulb. I had some some here in the bowl. I have some over here that's starting to sprout. You guys can see they're starting to sprout. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to put them in some dirt and try to grow these because they sprout up real nice. Now, the easiest way for me to do these, especially these big ones here, I'm going to push these out the way, separate those from that. Oh, one fell off the ledge. Like this. See how big that is? I don't want to fuss with breaking it apart. I just knock it with something like that. Sometimes that happens, sometimes it don't. Separate them like this, and I do this. Get all this what is that, like the shell or the crispers off of it. I'll take those up later. And then sometimes I just break it apart like this with my hand. There's another one that's sprouting. I had these for a while and I just didn't get to go to Whole Foods to get my ginger, so that's why those sprouted on me, which is fine. I'm gonna put them in the ground. Excuse any background noise that you guys hear. I have a lot that's sprouting. Hopefully I can get some ginger out of these. Knock them a couple of times. Get them out the shell. Sometimes you will find some like these that are not good. You can just throw them away. Give it a couple taps. Use the same container, knock it a couple times and separate it. Yes, this is time consuming. Yes, I can buy the garlic that's already peeled and everything like that, but I prefer to do it this way. Honey, I don't watch a documentary how that I watch a documentary how they peel garlic, and no thank you. I'd rather do it this way. You can put them on. Okay guys, family, so I am back. So this is all the garlic that I got out of it. It's a full bowl, and I could have been done a long time ago, but these little ones, these take up most of the time trying to get, you know, the shell off of these. So yeah, so I'm all done with these, so I'm gonna set these aside. That's a good amount. And this is my ginger that I got. This was about $14 worth of ginger from Whole Foods. Let me open it up and show them. Usually they have smaller pieces. I didn't feel like digging through the smaller pieces, but you know they have size like this. I'm telling you something. If y'all want good ginger, go to Whole Foods. It's a little bit pricey, not that bad, $4 a pound. But these are organic ginger. They're not as big as those other ones that I see in other stores that not even worth nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrape these off, which is easy. You just need a spoon. Hold on, get that spoon. You just need a spoon. I don't know how the thing go. Need a spoon and just scrape it, so just like that. Expose this, and that's it. So I'm not gonna do this whole thing because, like I said, these are strong, some strong ginger. Put my hand close to my face and the juice from it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Wash these off, cut them up in small pieces, and then I'll be back. Make sure you know what they look like, okay? And then I'll be back to start the whole. Okay, so this is all the ginger that I scraped and washed. Like I said, I wasn't gonna do too much because the ginger is strong compared to the amount of garlic we may have. If I need more ginger, I can always add it in, okay? So yes, me out of breath. I'm gonna try hurry up because I want to get dinner out going also. You know, today is Sunday and only then they are driving me mad. Anyway, so this is my food processor. Nothing big, nothing fancy. I got this at the thrift store. It was basically brand new one. You can see me, I use it. All of this is just from like the ginger. The ginger will do it. It will even turn the container yellow. Okay. And excuse any background noise. You only have two settings. High. You only have two settings, high and low. That's it. You don't have no in between. It has measuring you have the measurements right there. This blade is very sharp. Lock it in place. I'm gonna go with some garlic. Sometimes I do everything one time and sometimes I mix it up. So that's just some garlic. That's how I do it. You know, the container here, I'm gonna put it in. Put it into. And lock it into place. Hopefully me not frame. Okay, for my I don't add anything into mine. It just come out like this. I don't add any oil. Some people add oil to theirs. I don't add anything at all. I just grind it just like this. So let me finish this up, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is it. I got a lot, surprisingly. You okay, baby? My little sugar dumpling is here with me, y'all. Say hey, baby. She waving her hand like y'all can see her. My little helper is here. So this is the amount that I got. Let me pull this. Y'all can see it. Let me pull this back a little bit. All right, this is the size container. It's really heavy. It don't have a size on there, but this is the size of it that I got tilted over. You guys can see. Now I'm gonna put this in my jar. Let me show you guys. Oh, no, laugh off of my jar. She said, This is the container that I put it in. I'm showing it like that. This thing is about what? I've been putting ginger garlic mixture in this about 2 years. I see that. I'm not ashamed. See that? It's done. So I'm gonna fill it up. Probably gonna take maybe fill that whole thing up and leave. Probably I gotta get a smaller jar. But yeah, that's my ginger garlic mixture. I'm excited like always. I love ginger, I love garlic. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. And to all my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Welcome to the tribe. My name is Nikki. I'm a little bit crazy and goofy, but I always have fun. Welcome to my kitchen. And until next time, you guys, please take care of yourself and your loved ones and each other, and be safe. Bye. Okay, family and friends, this is the amount of garlic ginger that I got. I told you guys that I probably get like this whole container and then this little one right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video.